We are pleased to show you the 2017 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.